What's up, y'all? Happy Monday. All right, so today's video is going to be about how. Well, first off, my name is Fitz. If you guys haven't been following me, I'm on a mission to build a $500,000 per month real estate wholesale business. If you don't know anything about me, you know when I set my mind out to do something, I typically do it. It might not happen today, it might not happen tomorrow, but I can assure you it's gonna happen. So this video today is all about. I gotta go to a gas station. This video today is all about AI, using artificial intelligence, using AI to get a slight edge in your wholesaling operation. You know, so I've seen some videos. Where certain people have basically pulled a sleight of hand trick, right? You'll click on the video thinking that they really have a real way that they're actually using AI in their business to get further along, and the reality is most of the time it's some cap. It's some BS. They're basically telling you to, hey, go use ChatGPT to create a script, or use ChatGPT to write an email to the county to go get a list. You don't need no ChatGPT to write an email to the county. You can literally the county is literally going to tell you exactly what you need to send them in that email, and that's a one sentence email. Hello, whoever. I'm requesting the code enforcement list, for this county between these dates. I'm requesting the code enforcement violation list for these counties between these dates. That's it. If you need ChatGPT to do that, you got an issue, because they literally telling you what to say on the email. It don't have to be no fancy email. So I've seen different videos like that where that's how they're telling you to use AI to help out your business, get ahead in the business, and that's BS. Y'all know I'm gonna get it to you straight. So I use AI in only one aspect of my business. It's not like I'm at a point where AI is running my business and stuff like that. Now, eventually, I'm pretty sure AI will take a much more a much larger role in my organization as I get time to start building some stuff out, or partnering with some guys who are building some things out, from like an automation or CRM, standpoint, maybe like a business buddy or something like that. But anyway, how I actually use AI in my CRM or in my business every single day, using AI every day, and it's seamless. I don't have to talk to ChatGPT. I don't have to activate it. I don't have to do anything. It's embedded into our operation. The way that I use AI is inside of our CRM system. Whenever we have a phone call, our calls are already recorded. The AI is now taking that call and is transcribing it literally line by line. Line by line. I can literally go and see every single word that was said in that conversation. Now, oftentimes I'm not looking at it line by line. ChatGPT knows this, or the AI, which most of the AIs that's interacting with any type of program or software right now is using ChatGPT. It is the market leader. So you might not be using ChatGPT directly, but somebody has configured it in a way that works, that pulls out the information that you need to from whatever software that you're using, right? So it is ChatGPT under the hood. You just don't see it. So in addition to it hitting those, detailed transcriptions, what it's doing is it's giving us a summary a summary of our whole conversation. Not only is it giving us a summary, it's literally breaking down the conversation with headers. It's saying, hey, intro. Or it's saying, it'll say intro. And then it'll say something like offer. And then it'll say, it'll have headers based on where, it'll have a header that says house walkthrough or something like that. And you know where to find stuff because it's super organized. Now, in addition to that, full length, summary, it'll give you a quick snapshot summary of the whole conversation. So I can see what happened in the beginning and I can see what happened in the end. And like literally like this chunk of piece of information, which from an operator standpoint is super helpful. If you're operating as a solo operator, you're by yourself, guess what? You're going to be talking, if you're doing the business right, you're going to be talking to a lot of people. So when you have that type of detailed note taking, for one, it saves you time from taking notes on the call because the AI is already taking notes for you. So you can actually focus on the actual call itself. And a lot of people make the mistake of writing notes down, as they're on the call, and the seller can kind of hear that and it just throws the vibe off, right? Kind of makes you feel like you're in a laboratory or something like that, which nobody wants to feel like they're in a science lab or something. They want to work with genuine people. So to give that more genuine feel, AI is working in the background on your behalf to take notes so you don't have to, and it's organizing it in a way to where when you finish that call, you can see exactly what happened with that call. And when you go back to that file 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 days later, guess what? You know exactly what happened with that phone call. You don't have to think about it. So that's been really, really powerful for our organization. And I know we stand out because, again, you guys, I'm not just giving you insight just from, what I think I know, right? I've paid thousands of dollars to be inside some of the top mentorships in this space. And I'm talking to guys who are operating at a very high level, and they're using older CRMs that don't have this capability. And they're like, whoa, yeah, that's really cool. Now, they're not switching to it because it's such a hassle to switch from one CRM to the next CRM. Even if you aren't operating at their capacity, it's still a hassle because that's a lot of data transferring that you have to match up different fields and stuff like that. So I would encourage you guys to kind of like listen to me on this one, because you don't want to get in a situation where you got a bad CRM and you got to and then you gotta get out of that bad CRM, because that could cost you time, that could cost you money. Well, it will cost you time, it will cost you money, and it will cost you extra stress that you really don't need for any reason, right? So that one small piece of AI creates what I call a slight edge, right? Because now if we're able to be more engaged on our conversations and we're able to recollect easily and recall easier or more easily what our seller has said, things that stand out, right? We can build better relationships. We can operate more efficiently, right? So we're not just fumbling through notes. Oh, what did that person say? Or, hey, what did I put that at, right? Just by being able to operate more efficiently, we set ourselves up to be ahead of the competition. And guess what? That slight edge, it compounds. It compounds over time, and that's how you win. It's not one big change that makes the winners winners. It's the small tweaks, it's the small things that they do day in and day out that is slightly better than the next person, or slightly better than, they were yesterday, and it continues to compound. So using AI inside of the CRM, and we use closed CRM. A lot of people don't talk about it because, again, you guys are learning from a lot of the OGs who already have CRMs from years ago. They don't want to do the process of transferring the data, and I understand that. There's nothing wrong with that. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But we're in 2024 now, and we can, since we're starting off after them, and there's there's been, new technological innovations and things like that, guess what? We can make better CRM decisions, because you better believe closed CRM is, I'm going to be real with you, it's better than REI Reply. It's better than simply REI, whatever that thing is called. It's better than Investor Fuse. I've used Investor Fuse, nothing against those guys, Close is better. I've used Podio, whoever is building custom CRMs, trust me, Close is running circles around them. REI Reply, one of my buddies got it. We was on his CRM the other night, and I'm like, yo, bro, this is crazy. Like, this CRM is trash. I hate to say it like that, but compared to Close, it's trash. So if you guys are looking for a solid CRM that's going to give you an actual slight edge, an actual competitive advantage, I'm going to say use Close. And if you want to see how I break down my CRM and like what custom fields I use, what workflows I use, what statuses we use, how we set up our opportunities for the acquisition pipeline versus the disposition pipeline, what our flow looks like for a new lead coming into our system. If you want to see that, click the link below. There's a free group, which is our Blue Ocean Wholesale strategy. Our Blue Ocean Wholesale challenge, which outlines our framework for how we are able to streamline this wholesale process in a way that most wholesalers are not talking about. We've really flipped the whole industry on its head, from a lead generation standpoint, from an acquisition standpoint, from a disposition standpoint, from an operational standpoint. We're able to run super skinny operations where we're no longer focused on lead gen. Lead gen, we've solved that problem, that's done. Disposition, we've solved that problem, that's done. The only thing we're focusing on with the new model, the Blue Ocean model, is acquisitions. So anything that we can do to create more of a competitive advantage within acquisitions, again, it sets us up for success in a very powerful way. So by tapping into the free challenge, the Blue Ocean Wholesale Challenge, you can get the exact framework. You can get the exact framework that we're using in today's market to make our operation as skinny, lean, simple, straightforward, but powerful. In the same token, if that's what you're interested in, don't hesitate, click the link. It's free. Same way that I'm straightforward with you guys on here, it's the same way that I'm straightforward in the challenges. So you don't have to worry about me, dragging you over here, dragging you over there. The only thing that I ask, if you're taking the time out of your day and time out of your schedule to tap into this challenge, and you're tapping into me and the information that I'm giving you, and I'm telling you that, and I'm being very transparent about my journey, about things that I messed up on, and what I learned and where I'm getting my information from, and how it's a mixture of myself versus other people who I'm connected to. If I'm being transparent with you about all of that, all of those things that I'm telling you, I've already done most of the things that you're asking. Don't second guess what I'm telling you. Like, at least try it first. Like, if I'm telling you to use this particular service for this particular reason, don't ask, oh, well, what about this one because it's cheaper? I've been there. Obviously, this particular software that I'm telling you is worth the money. It's worth its weight in gold. I'm not telling you just go pay for something just to pay for it. I'm telling you what actually works, and I'm telling you why it works. So at least if you do join the challenge, trust me to that point. Trust me until it doesn't work. All right? But anyway, happy Monday, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next video. I got some good videos dropping for you guys this week. Still me in the car, whatever, just because that's easiest for me. But yeah, we'll rock out, y'all. Peace.